So hello guys, today in this video we'll be going to solve this question number 23. So the question is a solution of phenol in chloroform when treated with aqueous NaOH gives compound P as a major product. So the mass percentage of carbon in P is dash. We have to find this P and to the nearest integer. So we are assuming the atomic mass of C is 12, H is 1 and O is 16. So let's get to the answer. So the reaction of phenol in chloroform when treated with NaOH is as follow. So this is phenol, okay, and uh, when we react it with CH3 and NaOH, it will give this salicylaldehyde. Okay, so where P is salicylaldehyde. So molar mass of salicylaldehyde would be 12 into 7 plus 6 into 1 plus 16 into 12. That is 122, and the mass of carbon present in salicylaldehyde will be 12 into 7. That is 84. And from that we can easily calculate the mass percent of carbon. That is 84 upon 122 into 100. That will give us 68.85%. So that's the answer. Thank you.